Yes, today we are going to learn MySQL and Python connectivity. Now for this, what all things we require? First of all, we will install Python, install MySQL, and then we will open command prompt. In that, in small letters, we will type pip install MySQL connector Python. Now when you will install this MySQL connector Python, your net should be connected. So you will see that it will install and it will show the message. Now we will open Python ideally and then we will start typing the codes. Now first code will be import MySQL connector. Now here you can see, like, we will open Python ideally first. So I have opened here Python ideally. Now in this Python ideally we will start with the coding. So first we will make the connection here. Now for the connection I will write the code import MySQL connector. Next line will be any identifier connection equals to mysql.connector.connect. In this, your MySQL is having one host, one username and one password. That you have to mention here. That host equals to localhost, user is root, and in my laptop it is password is 12345. So after connecting, you can check it here that it is connected or not. Now you can see that it is connected. Now we will start with you can use the other method also for checking the connection. In this other method you can open here the codes for the other method is, I will show you the code. It is using if is connected. I will check whether the connection is okay or there is some error. If the connection is correct, connection is okay, it will show connection okay, otherwise it will show the error. So once the connection is okay, now we will open here. You can open here your MySQL and you can see all the commands whether it is working properly or not. So you can, I am opening here MySQL now and I am checking here whether all the commands which I will give here in Python is running or not. So this is my MySQL window and here I have opened my Python window. Now first command will be create database. Suppose any database I want to create here, you can check here that which all databases are